Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my newest video. It's been a little while since I've put a video up here, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about Udemy. Udemy is a platform to get traffic to your business, your affiliate offer, your business, whatever it is you want to promote your online business. Udemy has a lot of vendors, and I'm going to show you some right now. And I'm going to show you how you can set up a solo ad to any link that you want to promote your business. So we're going to go right here where it says solo deals. So as you come into Udemy, you have two options. You can make your own email. So you can put your own email here if you want. Because basically what a solo ad does is, let's say this guy Jason, what he'll do is he'll basically send this email out to his entire list, and that's how you get traffic to your business. Or you can have them create a text or whatever, and you can put whatever link you want to put in there to promote your business as well. So if you're not good at email ad copy just yet, you can just put a link right here, and then you can set how many visitors that you want to go to that link. So you can go down for him. You can go down to his down to like 100 visitors all the way up to 1,000 visitors. So whatever it is that you wanted to do, you can do that there. So let's see here. Let's go back to solo deals. As you can see right here, there are different price points. Some will charge 59 cents per click. You got some that are 45. You got one here that's 40. So, and you can just basically go whatever visitors that you want to go to your site. You can set that up like that. So I just wanted to show you this quick video. I will have a link to this. My affiliate link will be in the description below, because the cool thing about, I did have some money in here. I did a solo ad a couple days ago, and I had some money left over for other people that were using my affiliate link. And you can make where is it? Right here where it says affiliate. That's my affiliate link right there. But let's see. Yeah, invite your friends to Udemy and earn 15% from all their orders, and plus up to 50% referrals for all Prime referrals. So if you want to pay a little bit more for the Prime membership, you'll get more commissions, but you don't have to pay anything. You can still get 15% from whatever they purchase. And then right here where it says money, that's where your balance will be. And you can do two things. You can send it to your PayPal account, or in other words, you can keep your money that you earn there, or you can throw that money towards more paid traffic to get more eyes on your business. So this is Udemy. Again, I'm going to show you real quick one last time how you purchase one. So what we'll do is we'll just click on this one right here. So you just set how many visitors that you want to do. Here's you can set for whatever date you want to put it, how many visitors you want to see. The total will be right here, how much it'll come to. So you can do that, and then you just click. Then you can just type a link here, whatever it is. I already have some links here, so I can just pick this one right here if I want, and then hit add to cart, and then you check it out, and that's how you, it's as easy as that. So this is just a way to get traffic and more eyes onto your affiliate offer, your online business, whatever it is that you're promoting. And that is Udemy. The link, my affiliate link, will be in the description below. So that's pretty much it, guys. I have some more videos coming up. I have a 2021 Power Lead System review coming up. Power Lead System last year just made a huge update to their system. They now have a drag and drop system. So that's a new web page builder they have. And then I'm also going to put some more videos out there. I'm probably going to do more videos of me just talking about different subjects and stuff. I really want to get back into my YouTube channel in 2021, and I really want to also help inspire people like I've always done in this channel, to not give up on your dreams, to keep pursuing them, get that word "I can't" out of your vocabulary, and just start working for what it is that you want to do, and the sky's the limit. So if you believe in yourself, you believe in what you do, anything's possible. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So that's it for this video, guys. Hit that like button if you like this video. If you want to make a comment below, feel free to do so. And also subscribe. Underneath this video, you'll see the subscribe button. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.